Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace around her skirt, the skirt pattern. I'm going to put all these patterns on my website for you to have free. I'm doing all the, I've said this on my blog, but some of you that are probably watching these videos aren't familiar with my blog. Actually, go to JackiKellum.com, and in the menu you're going to see home, and on that page you can see all about the picture book, the donkey song. But then click on blog. That's right next to that. And I talk about writing, I talk about art, I talk about Bible stories, I talk about other people's books, because guess what? My feeling is I'm just one. There, look at what she's going to have on. Leopard and polka dots. Ooh, she's so fancy. But I also want to give her arms. So, and I'm going to do the same thing. Although I have found something, but I'm not going to do it here. I may. No, I'm not. I'm going to I'm going to go ahead and make, so what I'm going to do is, she's going to have on a bolero. And I don't even know whether kids know what that is. A bolero is a little roundish vest, like that. And the way, do you see it? The way that I did, and I'm using that for a couple of reasons, just to show you. For one, I'm trying to show you what you can do with your punches. This is a 3-inch circle punch, which is a big old dude. This is the 3-inch circular punch, and they're not. Well, there are some reasons to use it. It's not real frequent. It's not real frequently that I use that, but for here, I'm making this little vest because I'm going to glue her arms coming out from underneath that vest. So it kind of needs something to hide, and then we're not even going to be finished. So actually, what I did is I cut the circle with the 3-inch vest, and then I cut the circle in half. And I wish I could find the other part of the circle. Well, I'll just show you how I did it. Nuts. Well, you see what happens? I do believe that scrapbook paper breeds and produces young, and it just mushrooms all over my house. They're just like rabbits. They keep having more and more messes. It's not my mess. It's the mess of the mess. No, I'm kidding. I get so excited about what I'm doing that I don't have time to think about it. So there's our little bolero. Now she's going to have the same donkey face, and I don't know if this will be the last time I show you or not, but I am going to show you how I'm going to make the face again, because I am limited by the fact that I only have brown. I mean, I had this actually, I just realized I have some other heavy-duty paper, but it's not something that you can find currently that I can tell you where to find it. But I'm probably going to use it for something. Just remember, extra heavy weight, not just heavy weight, but extra heavy weight for those ears. Unless you don't mind if they flop, and you know what, I wouldn't mind if they flop either. So there's his face. I mean, there's her. Oh, excuse me. This is a she. This is the great grandchild of Donkey. But she happens to be a she. And so let's see. Where is she go? Here she is. That's her face. And her ears are going to be brown, and her arms are going to be brown. But then her ears, her arms, her face are going to be brown. But the rest of it I'm going to make out of these wonderful colors, because I said yesterday in the video, I can't ever have enough. And I want to tell you something. See that, how I'm lining that up? Stripes and lines of polka dots are great rulers. They help you get things straight. They also show you and everybody else that's looking at it that you didn't get something straight. So when it's good, it's very good, and when it's bad, it's horrid. Okay, so I'm actually thinking something else I can do here. Okay, but I'll talk about that in just a minute. Okay, let's see. So I had the vest cut out, the bolero, and the face and the ears. And I'm going to go ahead and cut those ears out and sort of move this video along.